Hey you and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to use SuperTrend AI in LuxAlgo. And if you want to do this, the first step that we are going to do is we go right here to library. Then right here we search for SuperTrend AI, click on search right there, and then you will find right here this option. Then we select right here the Super AI clustering, so we do see details. Then right here you see an example right here of the indicator. And if you scroll down, you have more explanation. But let's say we want to use this. Then you see right here a screen with TradingView, NinjaTrader, MetaTrader 405, and Think or Swim is coming soon. But let's say we want to use this indicator for TradingView. Then we click right here on TradingView, get access, and right here you see a nice setup instructions. After that, if you want to read that, do that. We click here on get access, and then he will send us right here to another page. And then if you want to use this, we click right here on use on chart. And then right now, if you can see, the fair value gap is still standing right here. So we will disable this real quick. And then right now, if you can see, we are having here the SuperTrend AI on the chart on TradingView. You definitely need to log in right here on TradingView, so make sure that you log in. And this is how you can use the SuperTrend AI on LuxAlgo. So hopefully this was the video I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.